In this video, we are going to show you how to install this 4K dual dash cam provided by GKU for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. You have a detachable front camera with an adjustable 120-degree bracket. On the side, we have your function button. On the other side, we have your micro SD card slot, which supports up to 256 gigs and includes a 64 gig micro SD card. This is your rear camera port and your USB-C power port. 1.47-inch HD display with a built-in super capacitor to withstand extreme conditions. This here is your microphone and your front camera, which records at 4K with a wide-angle view of 170 degrees. Here we have your rear camera, which records at 1080p with a wide-angle view of 150 degrees. Your rear camera is 360-degree rotatable. Includes your 19.69 feet rear camera cable, a 9.69 feet cigarette plug charger with low voltage protection, and an external USB. Extra adhesive, some mounting clips, your pry bar, a couple of electrostatic films, an Allen wrench, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave a product link in the description below. So we're going to install the rear camera. First, you want to clear the surface. Then use your electrostatic film. Place it on the center. Go ahead and peel off the protective film. Align it. Here's the center. And then press firmly. Then we're going to go ahead and hide the wire under this weather strip just by picking it up and sliding it through. Next, we're going to go ahead and run the rear camera cable to the front of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and connect the rear camera. So I fed the wire under this weather strip here, pried open the panel to feed the wire through, and then we're just gonna tuck it in all the way to the front underneath the headliner. Just take your included pry tool and just work your way to the front. Now we have your rear camera cable right where we want to mount your front dash cam. Next, you want to make sure the surface is clean. Then go ahead and install your electrostatic film. Then we take your front camera, remove the protective film, align it, and then press firmly. Then we go ahead and plug in your rear camera. Then we wire up your power supply. Now let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. Now we're gonna go into the app and into your settings menu. Alright, then we go to get GKU Go. Then we go ahead and open up the app, hit agree, next. While using the app, hit allow. We go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Go ahead and connect to GKU D600PRO, and your default password is 12345678. Go ahead and hit connect. Perfect, now we're connected. Let's go back into the app. We're gonna go ahead and add a camera. And now we have your live view. Bottom left, this is your playback video. These are where your files are kept. You can click on one and then you can download, take a screenshot, or delete. On the bottom right is your settings. We have sound recording. You can turn sound recording on or off. We have your speaker volume. You can adjust your speaker volume. Next, we have your video resolution. Right now we're recording at 4K. Here we have loop recording duration. You have the option to choose 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. This is the duration of each recorded video that will be saved in a folder. We have your light source frequency. In the US, we use 60 Hertz. We have your time watermark. You can turn that off or on. You can choose whether to put a date and time watermark on the video. Same with your speed watermark. You can also have GPS coordinates stamped in the video. You can mirror your rear camera. You have collision sensing. You have a few options here: lowest, lower, low, medium, and high. It has a built-in 6-axis impact gravitational accelerometer. The sensor will be triggered by shock. We have your automatic screen off time, also known as your screensaver. You can turn that off, have it turn off in 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute. You can change your speed unit to kilometers per hour or miles per hour. Change your date format. You can have your 24-hour time clock or 12-hour. See the status of your GPS signal. Turn on and off your GPS data. And in parking mode, if you install the hardwire kit, you can adjust your collision detection, your frame rate of time-lapse video, and the time-lapse recording duration. Then we have your Wi-Fi name. You can change your Wi-Fi password. You know your firmware. You can format your SD card, and you can restore your dash cam to factory settings. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.